There's a fuse blown in the freaking fuel pump. I don't believe it. I must have checked this 1,000 times over the last few weeks. But the funniest thing was it was working before. Let me get a 15 amp fuse. Right, checking the power on the white with the green tracer. We've now got 12 volts. But it still won't start. I need now to check this one down here. The brown with an orange tracer. 1.82 volts. Oh, wait a minute, what's happened there? Yeah, 1.7 volts. This one here, 1.8 volts. This one here, millivolts. .12 volts on the purple wire. That's the purple and white has got 12 volts. And the brown and orange, the brown and orange, and the brown, there's two brown and oranges apparently. Yeah, these two here. Nothing. Nothing. So what we need to do now is find out where these brown and orange go to the fuse box. So it seems to be all these wires check out except for this brown and orange. It's got multi points here where it's joined together here, 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 and it goes into the main input power of the computer, and it also goes to point E, which is something to do with the fans, the electric fans. Something is not powering that up. There's no power onto it, and that powers up all the injectors. I need to find out where the principal power is coming from there, and it's not really obvious on here. The plot thickens. The brown and light green is supplying this box here, and this is where the brown and orange comes out. That's why I couldn't find it. So now we have to look in the engine compartment fuse box. We're looking for fuse F7 20 amp. However, we've got 30, 60, 30, 60, 60, 100 amps there. The 20 amps we've got is side lights, driving lights, hazards and horn, and fuel injectors. No way. Look, can you see it? Flip. That's swearing. If this is it, I don't know really what I'll do. It has to be, because there's nothing feeding that relay. So we've got several problems, because I could have inadvertently touched a ground whilst I was looking for... Oh, listen! 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 Listen to the relay's clicking. Should we try it? Go on, let's have a listen. Let's try it. Oh my goodness. Hey, go on, start. Oh, you fiendish bastard! Now the bloody battery's flat. But you fucker, this fucking car hates me. It's so close now, the bloody battery's flat again. But it did fire. So that's all good. Now, did the fuse blow? Oh man, no, it didn't. So why is it when I checked this before it wouldn't work? I'll tell you what, to calm my anxiety, I'm going to get this battery charged up again and we'll check it out. But I tell you something, that little cheap shit little tool there is worth its weight in gold. I think I only paid about $5 for it. Excellent. Oh, I'm happy. There will be much rejoicing tonight, even more tomorrow when the batteries charge up.